Hello everybody, good morning. Bridget here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you a very old colonial rice dish and it's called kedgeree. It's spelled as Kedegeree. Many people, instead of saying kedgeree, they say kedgeree, but no problem, whatever pronunciation. So actually it's the anglicized version of the Indian khichdi or khichdi, which is a rice and lentil dish where you cook the rice and lentils together. So this was adapted by the colonial servants to suit the British taste and made it into a breakfast dish with the addition of uh, steamed fish flakes and boiled eggs. And this was a very nourishing breakfast, and it's now served all over the Commonwealth. Another thing is the Scottish regiments in India. When they came, they found this to be a very healthy breakfast dish because it had protein as well as carbohydrates in it because of the lentils and the rice and your fish and eggs. In those days, it was haddock or kippers that was steamed, and they sort of uh, removed the bones, made it into flakes, and mixed it with the rice just about when the dish was almost ready. So, this is the history of kedgeree, and we make it quite often in our home in KGF. And it's got an Anglo-Indian touch, so I'm adding some ginger and garlic and some mint, and it's a more tasty version of the original kedgeree. So just keep watching, and I'm going to tell you what all will go into this particular rice and lentil dish. Right. So first of all, you'd need like 2 onions that are sliced. I've taken 2 green chilies that I've slit. Now about 2 tablespoons of raisins, and we need juice of half a lemon. Then cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and bay leaves. Okay, 3 of each, and whole peppercorns, about 8 to 9. Then we have chopped mint. Okay, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, not the hot version, not the pungent spicy chili powder. This is the very mild version of chili powder. Okay, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Got salt to taste. So 1 measure of rice and half a measure of red lentils I've taken. You could use yellow lentils, that's moong dal, or you could use this red lentils, that's masoor dal, whatever you like. There's no hard and fast rule for making your kedgeree. Then we need 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter. And I'm not making a fish kedgeree, only a boiled egg kedgeree. So 3 eggs I boiled, peeled and cut into halves. Okay, 2 tablespoons of oil to start the whole process. Just keep watching, we're going to start cooking. Okay, so first of all, I'm heating 2 tablespoons of oil in this pan. To this, I'm going to add the cinnamon, cloves, bay leaf and your whole pepper. Okay, so let it simmer for just a few minutes to give out its aroma. Now I'm going to add in our sliced onions and the green chilies. So just saute this for some time. Okay. So now that the onions have browned slightly, I'm going to reduce the heat and I'm going to add in a ginger garlic paste. Fry this for a little while. Fry for a little while. And then we'll add in our chili powder, cumin, once this fries a little bit, we'll add in our rice. Mix and fry for a little while. Now add in our mint leaves. I'm going to add in our raisins. You can add cashew nuts or almonds or whatever you like as well, no problem. So this was one measure of rice and half a measure of lentils. To this, I'm going to add 2 cups of plain water. Okay, you can raise your heat. Add salt to taste and mix well. Now let it come to a boil. You can see now that it's coming to a nice rolling boil. At this stage, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. You could use ghee or butter. And then we lower the heat. Can cover and let it simmer till the rice and the lentils are cooked. Just before we take it off, we'll add in our boiled eggs and we are going to squeeze some lemon on the top. See, this is the way it's cooking, and I cannot tell you how beautifully it smells. It's quite delicious. So you could say it's something like a palav, a lentil palav. It still has to cook. Okay. Now I'm just going to squeeze half a lemon. And I'm going to gently add the boiled eggs. So we cover again. Just wait for the water to dry up. So you can see the water is almost dry. I'm not going to disturb the rice now. I'm just switching off the heat. Let it remain like this covered for 15 minutes. And here you go, a plate of kedgeree boiled eggs. You can serve it with some salad or with some pickle, and if you like, you can add some more lime. So a whole meal in a plate. I hope you enjoyed it. And so I hope you liked this video of me making a kedgeree, an old colonial dish that was famous in the olden days. You could see that it has many flavors. The sweetness comes from the raisins. The tartness comes from your lemon. It's a little spicy, just a hint of spice from your chili powder and your green chilies. And then the cumin adds a zing. So all in all, it's a one pot dish. If you feel like adding a fried fish or steamed fish flakes to your kedgeree, please go ahead. That is what a kedgeree was all about in the olden days. But for now, this is boiled eggs kedgeree, and even during Lent, this could be one of your lunch dishes. So if you like this video, do like and share it, and please, as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.